the American Express Platinum Card. For regular folk like us, this is the pinnacle of having a credit card. Many people would immediately think of the American Express Centurion Black Card, but since those are invitation only, the highest tier credit card that the average person can get is the American Express Platinum Card. But why is it such a big deal? Do people really benefit the most out of the Platinum Card, or is it just like any old regular credit card? This is Income Intelligentsia, real-life advice for practical and financial goals. What we want to talk about today are some of the perks of having an American Express Platinum Card and how you can maximize them. So let's get to it. We first want to talk about how the Platinum Card is generally used and details involving it. For one thing, the annual fee for the American Express Platinum Card is $695. Now that's a lot of money. And for new members, you can earn 80,000 membership rewards points after you spend $8,000 in eligible purchases on your Platinum Card within the first 6 months of card membership. You get a lot of premium perks from it, but it's also very expensive to maintain annually. That said, because of the perks you get from the American Express Platinum Card, you get a lot of value just by holding it. We'll provide some examples on how to use the perks provided by your American Express Platinum Card, and soon you'll be able to save more money than the annual fees. We'll start off with Uber credits. With your Amex Platinum Card, you'll receive up to $200 in annual Uber credits that's divided into 12 months. You get $15 in Uber Cash to use in the US every month, plus a bonus of $20 in December. If you're someone that frequently orders takeout or someone that uses their ride-hailing services, it shouldn't be too hard to use it regularly. You also become an Uber VIP, where you're matched up with top-rated drivers for whenever you ride with Uber. Another great benefit for groceries is their Walmart Plus membership. With a Walmart Plus membership, you can enjoy free same-day grocery delivery from the store, free shipping on qualifying items supplied by Walmart with minimum no orders, and more. You can pay for a monthly Walmart Plus membership with your Platinum Card, and it appears on your statement credit each month. It's normally around $12.95, but due to their Walmart credit being around $155 annually, the perk effectively means that you have a free Walmart Plus membership as long as you have the card. For fans of digital entertainment, American Express offers Platinum card holders a $240 digital entertainment credit. You could get up to $20 in statement credits each month when you use your Platinum Card on Disney+, a Disney Bundle, ESPN+, Hulu, the New York Times, Peacock, SiriusXM, and the Wall Street Journal. This can add up to $240 annually. Platinum Card members can also get exclusive access to perks from time to time. However, you'll need to enroll in order to get these benefits. To maximize this, you'll need to stack multiple subscriptions in order to get $240. For instance, if you like streaming TV shows and you enjoy reading the news every morning, you can go for a combination of a Disney Plus subscription and the Wall Street Journal. Now, if you're someone that dines out a lot, you'll probably appreciate the Resi Special Access perk that you get from your Platinum Card. You can access exclusive reservations and dining experiences when you add your Platinum Card to your Resi profile. It's hard enough to get a reservation when it's Friday and everyone's just getting out of work, but with the Resi Special Access benefit that you can get as an American Express Platinum Card holder, you'll have no problems with that. You'll have priority when it comes to reservations, and in some instances, you'll be allowed in exclusive areas that only you can get through an American Express Platinum Card. Now, if you're a fitness buff, maybe you'll be using the Equinox credits more. For most people, Equinox is considered a luxury gym, and if you have easy access to them, you can receive up to $300 in statement credits annually. This is something that you can get when you use your Platinum Card to pay for an Equinox Plus digital subscription with live and on-demand classes or an Equinox Club membership. Now that all adds up, considering Equinox is known to be one of the most expensive gyms in the world and has premium prices for their premium services. The cost of joining an Equinox gym is among the highest in the world, with a $100 initiation charge and $168 monthly price for a single club admission. The initial fee for a multi-club access membership is also $100, and the monthly fee is $230. Expensive Equinox gyms like those in bigger cities charge significantly more. So getting free discounts through your Platinum Card certainly helps out in adding value to your regular spending. One of the more well-known perks of being an American Express Platinum Card holder is its travel benefits. You get different perks like airline credits, hotel and lodging credits, even Clear Plus credits that help you avoid long lines. At some airports around the US, Clear uses personal and distinctive characteristics like eyes or fingerprints to verify your identity and help users to pass through security faster. You also get up to $200 in statement credits for airline fees. Now these aren't to be confused with actual airline tickets. You can use your credits to offset expenditures such as luggage fees, seat selection, lounge access, and more. One of the more familiar travel perks that you can get with your AmEx Platinum Card is their Global Lounge collection, where you can access their exclusive lounges. With more than 1,400 lounges across different airports around the world, you'll have a lot of options when it comes to staying in airports while you're waiting for your flight. As of March 2023, Platinum Card holders have access to more airport lounge options than any other credit card provider in the market. They also have their Fine Hotels Plus Resorts program, where you have access to over 1,300 homes across the world and with added perks. When you book your vacations through American Express Travel, you can gain bonuses of up to an average of $6,007. These bonuses feature complimentary accommodation upgrades, noon check-in when possible, and 4 p.m. checkout, daily breakfast for 2, and one-of-a-kind property credit valued at least $100 and up. Plus, in some instances, you can earn 5 times membership rewards points that you normally would. Other perks that you can get through this program are free breakfast, room upgrades, and many more. For multi-night stays, select hotels also offer free nights. Their travel consultants also help out in customizing itineraries that suit your preferences to help you make the most out of your vacation. One of the many travel perks included here are Hilton and Marriott Bonvoy Gold Elite statuses. Upon checking in, you're entitled to a free room upgrade when available. If those aren't your cup of tea, maybe their car rental privileges from Avis, Hertz, or National can help you out. You can get complimentary premium statuses for a variety of vehicle rental programs, as well as other benefits and discounts. All you have to do is sign into your American Express account, where Platinum members can view their individual car rental privileges. Through your American Express account, you have access to certain rental car privileges like Avis Preferred, Hertz Gold Plus Rewards, or the National Car Rental Emerald Club. With incredible advantages including best-in-class airline lounge access, elite hotel statuses, and significant value in annual statement credits, it may easily become one of the most valuable cards in your wallet year after year. When booked directly with airlines or through American Express Travel, you can save up to $500 per calendar year on certain purchases. If you book through AmExTravel.com, you can get 5 times the points on prepaid hotels. Since you get a lot of points just by using your card regularly, with the membership rewards program, you can use your points to pay for all or portions of a forthcoming trip on AmExTravel.com, with the exception of insider fares, which must be paid entirely with points. Now, because you get a lot of benefits with a Platinum Card, the average Amex user should have no issue recouping the annual price. If you spend a lot on travel, you may even come out further ahead. If you've enjoyed this video and found us helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'd like to be able to grow alongside you, and we're pumped to have you in our next video. Stay mentally healthy, and let's get financially fit together.